Imagine watching TV without cable clutter, just pure entertainment streaming online directly to your TV. Welcome to IPTV, your doorway to a world of endless viewing possibilities straight from the internet. IPTV uses internet protocol to deliver television content, offering more channel choices and flexibility. All you need is a good internet connection and a compatible device, like a smart TV or streaming box. IPTV is perfect for personalized viewing. You can access content tailored to your preferences anytime. There are three main types of IPTV services: live television, video on demand, and time-shifted media. Live TV is very similar to traditional broadcast, but over the internet. You watch as it airs. Video on demand lets you pick and choose what you want to watch at any given time. Time-shifted media lets viewers watch scheduled broadcasts later, effectively giving pause and rewind capabilities. Setting up IPTV is intuitive. Connect your device to the internet and subscribe to a reliable provider. Explore trusted providers like 2TV.store for seamless service. They offer a diverse channel range. With 2TV.store, dive into a reliable IPTV experience, enhancing your home entertainment like never before. Get started on transforming your TV experience with amazing options available at https://www.2tv.store/. Experience worry-free streaming with high-quality content, avoiding interruptions typical with older broadcasting. IPTV elevates control in your hands. Watch everything your way with maximum convenience. Revolutionize your viewing now. Subscribe today and discover IPTV's world full of unlimited excitement.